Hi, this is Kathy. I wanted to give you some information about growing herbs. Here are my chives. They flower and they look really nice when they're flowering. They're just a little past their prime, but you can still see that they would look good even as an ornamental plant, and you don't have to worry about, ugly things in your garden. I want you to remember that we had a really cold beginning to this year, including several late frosts. So my herbs aren't doing as well as I had hoped by now. I have some basil that's coming up, and it looks like it's doing pretty well. I have also some dill right here. I was hoping to make some dill pickles. And in my other round garden, let me show you this over here. I have some, almost there, I have some parsley, just a little bit. Oh, here's some more. My parsley is starting to come up pretty well. The thing about growing herbs is that it doesn't matter if they're heirloom, because most everything is if it's an herb. You do want to note, please, when you're looking up the kind you want to grow, figure out if does it want sun, does it want shade? Most of them like sunshine, so find a sunny spot for most of them. You also need to know that some of them like rich soil and some of them like sandy soil. I started some oregano and some sage, and neither of them is doing well because my soil is better than what they like. They prefer sandy soil. I think this plant right here is a little bit of sage, but you'll notice that only one plant came up. So they prefer a different type of soil. Make sure you check the requirements for your herbs, and then fresh herbs are always better than dried. They have a stronger flavor, better scent. They make your kitchen smell good when they're cooking. You will just really enjoy it. A lot of them can grow in small containers, like chives. One batch of chives will grow in a small container. You don't have to have a big garden, just somewhere with a little bit of dirt. Some are perennials and some are annuals. You'll also want to check that out so that if it's a permanent plant, you can put it in a place where it can grow for years and years. So I hope that helps you figure out what you're trying to do with your herbs. I hope you try growing some, because they're so much better than store-bought dried herbs, and I believe you will love your food a lot better with fresh herbs in it. Thank you. Have a great day and stay safe.